As a Shopify business owner, it's important to have a clear understanding of your website's analytics. After all, how can you make informed decisions about your marketing and sales strategies if you don't know what's working and what's not? Google Tag Manager, GTM, is a powerful tool that can help you get a better handle on your website's data. Shopify's integration with Google Tag Manager lets you add and update your own tags without needing to involve a web developer. In this introductory lesson, we'll discuss in this quick and easy Shopify GTM course. We'll walk you through everything you need to get up and running with GTM on your Shopify site. We'll show you how to create a GTM account, get your GTM container code, install the GTM code into your Shopify theme, add the GTM code into your Shopify checkout page, and more. It's a complete GTM setup tutorial, so watch till the end. If you want to know more about Google Tag Manager and why Shopify stores need GTM, be sure to check out the I button, and I'll also leave the video link in the description box. So, without further ado, let's begin. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our videos. GTM is a platform that allows you to manage all your website's tags in one place. A tag is a snippet of code that you install on your website to track certain events or collect data. For example, you might use a tag to track when a user clicks on a particular button on your website. There are many different types of tags that you can use with GTM, and you can use them to track just about anything you want. Now, to install Google Tag Manager on your Shopify store, you need a Google Tag Manager account, access to your Shopify store's code, and a bit of familiarity with HTML and CSS. First, we are going to search on Google Tag Manager and click the first result. If you don't already have a GTM account, you can create one for free. Click on Create Account. Fill in your account name, country, container name, and select the target platform web, then click Create. Once you have a GTM account, you need to set up GTM on your Shopify store. To do so, copy this code and then go to your store. Now you can see Online Store, click on it. Now click on Theme, Action, and Edit Code. Please do not take it too hard if you have to pause and repeat the video several times. After clicking on the Edit Code option, search the theme and you will find this, and now paste the code here and save it. Now, we need to get back and click on Settings and then Checkout. You need to paste the code in the Additional Scripts box and then click on the Save button. After you have installed the GTM code on your Shopify store, you need to test your installation to make sure it is working correctly. It's important to debug and verify your installation before you go live. In preview mode, you can test your site and make sure that everything is working as it should. We can check the update, go back and click Preview. It will ask you to publish a preview request. I created this store specifically for this tutorial, so it is empty. Afterwards, it'll send a preview request and open a Tag Assistant window. Now paste your store URL in the Tag Assistant box. Then, it should open your store and show Debugger Connected. If you see it, you have successfully installed GTM. You can recheck it by going to another page. Once you've installed GTM on your Shopify store, you can test it by placing an order. This will help you verify that the installation is working correctly. In the next lesson, we'll discuss some of the most popular types of tags and how you can use them to collect valuable data about your Shopify business. For now, let's focus on the benefits of using GTM for your business. First of all, GTM makes it much easier to manage all your tags in one place. This can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially if you're using multiple tags on your website. Another big benefit of using GTM is that it allows you to preview and test your tags before you publish them. This is a great way to make sure that your tags are working correctly and that they're collecting the data you want. Finally, GTM provides you with detailed reports about the events that are being tracked by your tags. This data can be extremely valuable in helping you to optimize your website and your marketing strategies. So, there you have it. These are just a few of the benefits of using GTM for your Shopify business. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.